Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get boarding pass on Vueling Airlines. So, are you ready to take off at Vueling Airlines? If you're ready, I'm going to walk you through the process of obtaining your boarding pass, which will help you to ensure a smooth start to your journey. First, it's essential to know when online check-in opens for your fair type. For fly light, it is 24 hours before departure. For fly, it is 3 days before departure. And for fly grand, it is 7 days before departure. So now that you've known that, let's access the Vueling web app. Now navigate to vueling.com on your browser. Ensure you're on the official site to protect your personal information. Once you get into the site and you log in with your credentials, head over to the top left corner of the screen. You're going to find a couple of tabs. Go ahead and click on My Trips, and that's going to walk you into the My Trips section. Once we get into the My Trips window, I'm definitely going to show you what to do. In here, enter your booking code, and in here, enter your email. And once you enter your email, just go ahead and click on Go for the specific booking that you want to make changes to or that you want to check in. All right, so once you click on Go, it's going to take you to the booking details page. Within your booking details, click on the check-in option. Once you click on that, confirm your seat selection and other details. Then proceed through the prompts to complete check-in. Online check-in is available up to 15 minutes before departure for most flights. So after successful check-in, you can go ahead and download and print. So save the boarding pass as a PDF and print it. Or you can save to mobile. So you can choose to download it to your smartphone or add it to your phone's wallet. For example, Apple Wallet or Google Pay. Now, if you prefer managing your boarding pass on the go, then the Vueling mobile app is your go-to. Just go ahead and download it. If you're using iOS, you can download it on App Store. If you're using Android, you can download it on Google Play. Within the app, access your boarding pass in the boarding pass section and save it to your phone's wallet for offline access. On the day of your flight, for no checked luggage, proceed early to the security check and boarding gate with your boarding pass. With checked luggage, go to the check-in desk to drop off your bags and obtain your boarding pass if you haven't already. Now, self-service kiosks are available at select airports like Barcelona, Paris, and London for printing boarding passes. Obtaining your boarding pass with Vueling Airlines is straightforward, and whether you choose to print it or to save it in your mobile device, just ensure that you have it ready before heading to the airport. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done and be good to go, I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.